Welcome aboard. Let me show you how to use the restroom properly and all the secret functions. This is the first class restroom.
Feel free to check out our previous video where we covered the economy restroom.
The newer airplanes, this is how you adjust the temperature. For the water at the sink, you press towards the red for hot and towards the blue for cold. Underneath the sink on the newer aircraft is where you'll find your complimentary feminine pads and air sickness bags. These are some amenities unique to our first class restrooms where you have a garment spray that's anti-wrinkled as well as a face mist and hand lotion. I like to use the tray table, line it with some paper towels, and set my pajamas there while I use the coat hanger to change from my regular clothes to my pajamas. In the newer aircraft, sometimes just offer a different shaped mirror as well as water cups below.
Did you know underneath the sink is a secret compartment here where you'll find feminine pads for the ladies? It's a little bit difficult to get out if it's full, but I promise it's there. Over here are our air sickness bags. So if you tend to get air sickness or ever feel unwell during a flight, it's a great idea to keep one of these near your seat. Here is how you unlock the door and lock it back. Be careful, the door will get your long sleeves, and below we have an ashtray. Although smoking is not allowed on board, you will find an ashtray on many planes. Pull here to open up the door and exit, and above you can hook your coat or your purse here so it's not on the floor. That's our smoke detector. And here's where your oxygen mask will fall from in case of emergencies. If you can't get the light to turn on, just double check that the doors are locked, and that should do it. Paper towels to dry your hands, and facial tissues to dry your face, and our trash bin here next to the soap. Below the sink, you'll find your roll of tissue for your rear end. These are the toilet seat liners to protect you from having to sit on the toilet seat bare. You are going to tear into it and make a big hole in the middle so you don't wet yourself when you sit. This is not the right direction. You're going to spin it around. This is the proper way. And away you go. You flush using this blue button here, and above you will find the child changing table. And the diaper goes in that garbage can as directed by the picture. On some airplanes, not every single restroom has a baby changing table, so you will look out for this sticker on the inside of the restroom as well as on the outside door. Did you know you can adjust the temperature of the water? Turn towards red for hot and blue for cold. Full-size mirror with an assist handle to help you while in the restroom, and also in case of turbulence, you're going to want to hold on.
If you don't see a handle on the airplane door, don't panic, just push here. And if you happen to need some help while inside, press this button down here. It's gonna alarm us. We'll assist you, and once we're done, we can reset the alarm. Here are my personal hacks for using the restroom. I avoid using the toilet paper, and I use instead the facial wipes because I know when I pull out a sheet, I'm using a fresh, clean paper that's inside of sealed packaging instead of using toilet paper that is near the flush. I use the thicker hand towels instead of the toilet seat liners, and then I use the toilet seat liners as face blotters for any excess oil. Just line the toilet seat with the paper towels. It works great. Different airplanes have different type of restrooms, and different airlines offer different amenities. So how do you know what type of airplanes you will encounter during your travels and what type of amenities are available to you? Subscribe to Blessed Up Z for other travel hacks and other videos so you can be best prepared for your travels.